Hello children, in this class let's study the division of the numbers by estimating with the higher number or two-digit numbers. Let's see an example how do we do it means. Suppose there is a number like 59 divided by 70. If the number is 59 divided by 70. In the previous class, what we have done? First, we have estimated the nearest tens, that is 60 divided by 20 it will be, and we have done the first step. We have done estimated quotient, right? Estimated quotient we have written. How we have written? 1010 is cancelled and divided and wrote 2, 3 is 6. So the estimated quotient will be 3. Like that we have done. And the next step, what we have to do means we have to calculate the actual quotient. What will be the actual quotient? How to find it out means the quotient we have estimated here multiplied by the divisor. Which is the divisor? Actual divisor what they have given in the question. The actual divisor is 17, right? The actual divisor is 17. Now you need to write what is 17 threes. What is 17 threes? It is 51, right? 51 is lesser than the dividend, lesser than dividend. Let's see one more also. What it is lesser than dividend. Let's check one more number more. That is 4 into 17. How much we will get? 17 fours is 68. 17 fours are 68, which is more than dividend. We have dividend 59, but 68 is more. That's why let's choose 3 as the actual quotient. That is the second step. What will be the third step? In the third step, we need to do the actual division and check the answer is correct or not. Actual division will be 17 divided by 59. We have chosen 3. So 3 are 51, subtract it, we get 8 and 0. Here you can observe we will get remainder 8, quotient is 3. This is the actual division. And one more checking method is there. How do we check? We check the division with the help of the division algorithm. What the algorithm says? The algorithm says quotient multiplied by the divisor, quotient, so here you need to write dividend. Dividend. The division algorithm says dividend will be equal to quotient multiplied by the divisor plus remainder. This is what the division algorithm says. Let's check the answer is correct or not. What is the quotient we have got? Quotient we have got is 3. We have the divisor 17 plus the remainder is 8. Now calculate it with the answer. 17 threes are, we will get 51. 51 plus 8 is 59. So we have got the dividend 59. This is how we need to check by estimation method. First we need to estimate the nearest 10. Then we need to calculate the estimated quotient. After getting the quotient, you need to check whether the nearest answer we will get after multiplying it with the divisor. After getting the nearest, we need to calculate the actual division answer. then check with the help of the division algorithm. These are the 4 steps you need to do for the each question. Let's see the questions in the exercise. Next, exercise 7. First question, 75 divided by 15. What is the first step? We have to calculate the estimated quotient. To calculate the estimated quotient, we need to round it off. 75 is nearest to 80 and 15 will be nearest to 20. We have rounded to the nearest 10. Why? Because 10 is the highest place value. After this, if zeros are there in dividend and divisor, cancel out the equal number of zeros. Then the question will be 8 divided by 2. By seeing this, tell me the estimated quotient. What is the estimated quotient we will be having? 2 ones are table. 2, 4 is 8. So estimated quotient by seeing this we will get is 4. Let's check the actual quotient. How to calculate the actual quotient? Estimated multiplied with the actual divisor, that is 4 into 15 we will get 15 4s are 60. You need to remember all the tables, right? 15 4s are 60. Is 60 nearer to the dividend? It is not, right? It is very much lesser than the dividend, which is 75. Let's see another one. I will increase this quotient. I will increase to the next number. 5 into 15. 15 5s is 75. So you have got the exact dividend. You have got the exact dividend. So the actual quotient is 5. Actual quotient is 5. Let's check by doing the division. 15 divided by 75 is what we are having. 15 we have chosen 5. So 15 5s are 75. So we'll be having remainder is 0. Quotient is 5. After finding this division, what we have to do? We have to cross check with the division algorithm. Algorithm says the dividend will be equal to quotient multiplied by the divisor plus remainder. What is the quotient? Quotient is 5. Which one is the divisor? Divisor is 15 plus remainder is 0. 15 5s is 75. 75 plus 0 is 75. We have got the exact correct dividend, which is 75. I hope you are understanding. All the sums will be similar to this method only. Estimated quotient, actual quotient, normal division, then checking with the help of the algorithm. Let's see the next question. It seems little difficult, but once you follow it, you can understand easily. The next, second one, 91 divided by 17. Try to solve this. 91 by 17. First method, we need to round it off, which becomes 90 by 20. Right? It becomes 90 by 20. As you know, you need to cancel out the zeros if you are having zeros. So it will be same as 9 divided by 2. So first one, the estimated quotient. What is the estimated quotient? Estimated quotient. Here 9 is there, here 2 is there. Which multiple of 2 will be equal to 9? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are is 8. So 8 you can write, 2 fours are is 8. That is the nearest multiple for 9. You cannot take 10. 10 is more than 9. So less than only you need to consider, which is 2 fours are 8. So the second one, the actual quotient. What is the actual quotient? You need to calculate quotient into the divisor is 17. What is 17 fours are? Is 68. Is 68 is near to the dividend? Not, right? 68 is not nearer to the dividend. So you need to increase 1. 17 5s are. How much will you get? 17 5s are 85, right? 17 5s are is 85. Is this number nearer to the 91 which is dividend? Let's see one more. 6 17 or 17 6 are. How much will you get? 102. Right? 17 6 is 102. So what will be the nearest for the dividend? Which is nearest for the dividend? 91. Of course, 5 is nearest for the 91. That's why we are taking the quotient as 5. We are considering actual quotient as 5. The next step, divide with the actual number which is 17 by 91. As we are considering 5, 17 5s is 85. Subtracted 11 minus 5 is 6, 8 minus 8 is 0. So by this you can write quotient which is 5. And remainder is 6. Quotient is 5, remainder is 6. Let's check whether answer is correct or not. The dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. What is the quotient? Quotient is here 5. Multiplied with divisor. Divisor is 17 plus we have got remainder 6. So 17 5s are 85 plus 6 which will be 91. That's what is our dividend. 91 is our dividend. So this is the correct method. Like this many steps are there, you need to calculate. Like this the question follows. One more I will solve and show, and remaining you need to calculate. Once you understand, it will be easy. Just go step by step. Third one, which is 119 divided by 90. 119 by 90. Round it off. 119 is nearer to 120, or else you can take the nearest 100. Which will be the nearest 100 for this number? Nearest 100 is 100 you can take, or else you can even consider nearest 10 also. That is also right. Here 20. 100 and 20. In the previous question also you can consider 100 or you can consider 10. Here which will be the next? 1 0 1 0 will be cancelled out. 10 divided by 2. For 10 by 2. First one, estimated quotient. What is the estimated quotient? Multiple of 2 ones are. Already we have solved a similar one, which is 2. 2 how many is 10? Yes. 2 5 is 10, right? Next, we need to calculate the actual quotient. Actual quotient we need to check by 5 into 19, which is 95, right? 19 5 is 95. It is not nearer. So check for 19 6. How much is 19 6? It is 114, right? 19 6 is 114. Yes, it is nearer, right? But 7 if you take, it becomes more. 7 is more. We want is 119. So 6 is nearer. 6 is nearer. That's why we are considering quotient as a 6. The next step is divide with the normal division, which is 19 with 190. 6 114. We'll get remainder 5. So quotient is 6. Remainder is 5. Let's check the answer. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. We have got 6 multiplied by 19 plus 5. 19 6 is 144 plus 5. We get 190. We get 190. So if you get the correct dividend as in the question, your method is correct, or what you have estimated is the right quotient. Okay, like this you need to solve. Try to solve the remaining questions. Those are also easy. Only you need to consider the correct estimated values. I will stop it here and I will give you homework, the remaining sums of the exercise 7. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.